We start with the standard HTML boilerplate. We include the Tailwind CSS script to handle the layout and the colorful gradient background without writing custom CSS. Here is our layout. We use a CSS grid with 4 columns to hold our cards. The ID game is crucial because we will inject the cards into this container using JavaScript. We define our game state. We use the spread operator to duplicate our list of 8 emojis, creating 16 cards total, 8 pairs. Then we use a simple math trick with sort to shuffle the array randomly. This loop creates the visual cards. We set the content to a question mark to hide the face. Crucially, we store the actual emoji inside a data attribute called dataset.symbol so we can reveal it later. We listen for clicks on the game board. We ignore the click if the card is already revealed or if the user has already flipped 2 cards and is waiting for them to reset. If valid, we reveal the emoji. This is the call logic. If 2 cards are flipped, we check if they match. If they do, we keep them face up. If they don't, we wait 1000 milliseconds of 1 second and then flip them back over.